What if you could build a YouTube channel that earns $1,000 a month without ever showing your face, recording your voice, or editing a single video yourself? Sounds crazy, but with AI in 2026, it's not only possible, it's getting easier every day. Stick around because I'll show you the updated tools and strategies people are using right now. And at the end, I'll reveal the #1 niche format that's dominating this year. Let's get into it. Before we go any further, I want you to hear this clearly. This isn't theory. These are systems people are actively using right now, often quietly, while most creators are still stuck thinking YouTube requires cameras, studios, or personality-driven content. AI flipped that entire model, and once you see the workflow, you'll realize how unnecessary most of the old steps are. Faceless YouTube channels used to feel like a mystery, but in 2026, they're one of the smartest ways to build passive income, thanks to better, cheaper, and faster AI tools. With the right setup, you can auto-generate scripts, turn them into videos, add pro-level voiceovers, design thumbnails, schedule uploads, all on autopilot. And the best part? You don't need to show your face or touch a video editor. Today, I'll walk you through how to pick the right niche, which 2026 AI tools to use for scripting, visuals, and voiceovers, how to grow and monetize faster than ever before. And yes, don't miss that niche format I mentioned. It's outperforming everything else right now. What makes this powerful is leverage. One script can become 5 videos, one idea can turn into an entire channel. And AI doesn't just speed things up, it removes the friction that stops most people from ever starting. That's why faceless channels are exploding right now. First things first, let's talk about how AI helps you create without creating. Let's start with the workflow. Here's the 2026 AI-powered toolkit. Tube Magic for content planning, titles, and keyword hooks. ChatGPT or Write Sonic to generate your full video scripts. Pictory or InVideo to turn text into engaging, faceless videos. Murph.ai or 11 Labs for realistic AI voiceovers. Canva Pro for thumbnails, transitions, and slide elements. Speaking of Pictory, I use Pictory weekly to turn my scripts into videos automatically. It adds voice, clips, transitions, everything's handled. If you want a hands-off way to create videos, it's worth checking out. Links in the description. Here's something most people miss. You don't need to master every tool. You just need one clean pipeline. Script, visuals, voice, upload. Once that pipeline is set, content creation stops feeling like work and starts feeling like assembly. That's when consistency becomes easy. And consistency is what YouTube rewards. We're just getting started. Up next, choose the right niche. Not every niche works in 2026. Here are 5 top-performing faceless niches. AI tools and tech news, investing and side hustles, productivity and life hacks, celeb documentaries and mini biographies, luxury, money, and motivation. Use TubeBuddy or Tube Magic to check keyword volume and competition. This is the hack no one talks about. Try rising sub-niches like AI versus human or best AI tools for X. They're trending and still low competition. Coming up, I'll share a format that's crushing it this year with short-form and long-form content. But first, a quick rule of thumb. If a niche constantly has new information, it's perfect for faceless channels. AI tools change weekly. Markets move daily. Trends evolve constantly. That means unlimited video ideas and unlimited monetization opportunities without needing creativity from scratch. Next up, creating content that gets clicks. Here's where it all begins. So, what actually makes someone stop and watch? You need a scroll-stopping hook in the first 3 to 5 seconds, storytelling that builds curiosity, high-quality visuals and motion, a clean voiceover or AI narration. Use InVideo to drop in your script, and it'll generate the video clips, text, transitions, and voice. This is an AI tool I use too. I use InVideo for shorts and reels. It cuts my editing time by 80%. Try this next time. You'll thank me later. With Canva Pro, you can animate text, add overlays, and build thumbnail templates that convert. This is where most faceless channels fail. They underestimate hooks. Even the best information dies without a strong first line. One trick I use is asking ChatGPT or Write Sonic to generate 5 different hooks for the same script, then choosing the most curiosity-driven one. That alone can double click-through rates. And remember, motion keeps attention. Even subtle zooms, animated captions, or progress bars can drastically increase watch time. Canva Pro makes this easy with built-in animations that don't feel overdone. Let me show you what this actually looks like in practice. Because once you see the flow, it clicks fast. One script becomes one long-form video. That same script then gets broken into 3 to 5 shorts. Each short points back to the main video. You're not creating more content, you're stretching one idea across the platform. Here's a simple example. Say you make a video called Top 5 AI Tools for Productivity. The long video earns ad revenue and affiliate clicks. Each short highlights one tool, each short links back to the full video. Over time, YouTube starts recommending your content as a group, not just individual videos. This is where faceless channels quietly win. You're building a content web. Viewers bounce from one video to the next, watch time increases, and YouTube pushes your channel harder without you uploading more often. And monetization stacks naturally here. Ads from long videos, affiliate links from tool reviews, even lead magnets if you want to build an email list later. One system, multiple income streams. This is also why AI tools like Pictory and InVideo matter so much. They remove the friction. You're not editing timelines or syncing audio. You paste the script, choose a style, and the video is done. That speed is what allows consistency, and consistency is what compounds. Most people quit YouTube because they burn out. Faceless automation flips that. You batch content once, schedule it, and let the system work in the background. That's how small channels quietly hit 4 figures a month without ever going viral. Coming up, we've got growing your channel. Here's a simple growth plan that works in 2026. Upload 3 YouTube shorts plus 1 long-form video per week. Optimize using TubeBuddy for titles, tags, and thumbnails. Cross-post to TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Pinterest using Metricool. Metricool is especially useful. It schedules posts, tracks analytics, and works with YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and more. And remember that hot format I mentioned earlier? Let's break it down. Short form fuels long form. Shorts bring discovery, long videos build trust, and trust leads to clicks. When these work together, YouTube starts pushing your content for free. That's how small, faceless channels suddenly explode. Let's jump into the next part. Best performing faceless format in 2026. The top performing format right now. AI tools roundups and tech updates. Why it works. AI moves fast. People want updates. Viewers love lists, rankings, and best of style content. New tools equal built-in affiliate potential. Here are some example video ideas so you can get started. Top 5 AI tools you didn't know existed. Google Gemini versus ChatGPT full breakdown. AI tools that will replace your job. You can batch create these using ChatGPT or Claude to research and summarize tools. Pictory to build videos in minutes. Canva Pro for scroll-stopping thumbnails. Watch what happens when you do this. Add affiliate links for the tools you mention. Every video becomes a passive income asset. Just 1 conversion a day can mean consistent earnings. This format works because it compounds. 1 video leads to another. 1 tool review leads to multiple commissions. And because AI tools constantly update, your channel never runs out of content. You're building an asset, not just posting videos. So yes, earning $1,000 a month with a faceless channel in 2026 is more achievable than ever. You just need smart AI tools, a strong niche, and a rinse and repeat system. Subscribe if you want to know more about building faceless YouTube channels step by step. Next up, I'm breaking down how beginners are using AI to create and sell digital art on Etsy. No drawing skills, no experience, just smart automation. That one surprised me. See you there.